Welcome to Kamartha. This is Nasdaq today. As you can see, this is very good resistance. What we seen, given a breakout. It is not a clear breakout actually. It is a breakdown, but giving a support. Or it is a long-standing giving support one. So you can bank on. I will make it as a green. And the other two line is just a confluence one, not a major thing. Coming to Dow Jones. Yeah, chart is bearish. That's why we put a channel both in the downside. Here also it is the same. Good resistance one. At the last it has given a breakout. So we will make it as a blue color. And this, as you can see, long standing support. Okay. Dark green.